Hey YouTube, just to show you, I got a Zippo. This is the case it came in. Instructions, hard plastic case, that's what it came in. I got fuel for it. And here's the Zippo. Here. It makes that sound, that's how you can tell it's genuine. And there's at the bottom. Okay, my crazy brother's just. And there's thing at the bottom to tell if you look at cutlery lever. That's where I got the ideas from. I've had this a couple days now, so I know a couple tricks. I know double snap, or that's sort of hard to do. And I'm going to show you the twilight zone. I'll do a tutorial on this later. And, okay. Do you have a good visual of it? Right. Okay. I'll just smooth the fuel all the way. Okay. Take the flame and put it back. Oh, sorry. Got it. Put it back. So that's the twilight zone, and that will be, I guess, the end of this video. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me do any other stuff, okay. If you want to see me do any other stuff, because I got a bunch of Nerf guns, airsoft, Zippo. I make fires, sparklers, anything like that. Just leave a comment on the video, or send me a message, or in my page. Okay, thanks for watching, and adios.